Most people don't waste a year because they lack goals. They waste it by repeating the same behavior and calling it patience. Nothing changes until standards changes. Let that sink in, because that single sentence explains why most people will reach December 2026 and feel exactly the same. New year, same routines, same comfort zones. They don't ruin the year in one big mistake. They ruin it quietly by saying, I'll start after this week. I'm just tired today. I'll be consistent from Monday. And suddenly, the year is gone. Think about the last year, not the highlights, the average days, the mornings you hit snooze, the work you postponed, the moments you knew what to do, but didn't. That's where years are lost. And here's the truth nobody likes to hear. Beginning is always the hardest part. That's why most people never change. They quit in the invisible phase, before results show up. You don't need more information. You already know what's holding you back. It's the habits you keep defending, the standards you keep lowering, the excuses that sound reasonable, but cost you everything. Read this carefully. Comfort feels safe, but it slowly steals your future. There is a version of you that wakes up early without motivation, that works even when nobody is watching, that keeps promises to itself, but every time you choose short-term comfort, that version gets delayed, not destroyed, delayed. And delay is dangerous because it makes you believe you still have time. Most people don't fail loudly, they fail silently. They lower their standards so often it starts to feel normal. Skipping one workout, missing one day of focus, ignoring one uncomfortable task, small decisions, massive consequences. If you want to know how not to start 2026, here it is. Don't start by feeling inspired. Don't wait for motivation. Don't plan the perfect routine. Start by deciding what you will no longer tolerate, because what you tolerate, you repeat. What you repeat becomes your identity. Don't waste your potential for another year, not because you're running out of time, but because you're running out of patience with yourself. The beginning will feel messy. You'll doubt yourself. You'll feel behind. That's normal. That's the price of becoming someone new. 2026 doesn't need another promise. It needs a higher standard. Start imperfect. Start uncomfortable. Start scared. Just don't start the same.